In this hyperrealistic microphotograph, we witness Lady Palutena, the goddess of light and fairy empress, adorned with a crystal fractal prism tiara embellished with flowers and butterflies, seated on a wooden table in a captivating forest during the mystical golden hour. The photograph showcases an extreme close-up of Lady Palutena's head and shoulders, capturing the intricate details of her attire using state-of-the-art techniques in hyper-realistic, highly detailed professional photography. She embodies her official descriptions featuring elf ears and eyes studded with diamonds. Complementing her jeweled headdress, she wears bold and vibrant makeup. Lady Palutena's regal white dress displays ornate patterns and textures inspired by Gustav Klimt, while her gold accessories draw inspiration from ancient Egyptian pharaohs. The laurel crown and fibula are adorned with delicate greenery and foliage, inspired by the natural beauty of the Greek countryside. Enhancing the surrealism of the portrait, a digital art rendering influenced by Elena Guro adds an ethereal touch. The image focuses on a close-up of Lady Palutena's face, accentuated with vibrant flowers that create a stunning contrast against her porcelain skin. The background showcases a magical fairy forest teeming with vibrant flora and fauna, including exotic butterflies. Meticulously optimized lighting for the golden hour enhances Lady Palutena's elegant features and divine aura. To evoke an otherworldly ambiance and cinematic feel, special effects such as motion blur and lens flares are employed. Twisted trees and gnarled roots contribute to the enchanting atmosphere. Completing the scene, a mesmerizing saltwater mountain lake fed by a river harmonizes with colorful fish, coral, water vegetation, and captivating mermaid goddesses. Along the shorelines, picturesque Japanese cherry trees, wildflowers, and tall green grass create an idyllic setting. The majestic surrounding mountains, adorned with tall green pine trees and capped with snow and ice, add a touch of grandeur to the landscape. This highly detailed microphotograph encapsulates the essence of Lady Palutena, the fairy empress and goddess of light, within a mesmerizing and enchanting environment. By employing advanced photography techniques, intricate details, vibrant colors, and incorporating special effects and digital art renderings, the resulting image is a visually stunning and captivating representation. It portrays the beauty and power of Lady Palutena, inviting viewers into a realm where fantasy and reality intertwine. Now let us delve into the necessary enhancements for humans to adapt to this unique environment. Subcutaneous fat layer. Increased subcutaneous fat would prevent heat loss in cold water or air, increase buoyancy, and streamline the body for swimming. Webbed toes. Webbed toes would improve propulsion in water and enhance balance on land. Dark skin pigment. Dark skin pigment would protect against excessive sunlight in tropical waters and harmful UV radiation on land. Longer scalp hair. Longer scalp hair would provide insulation in cold water or air and serve as a handle for floating infants. Facial hair and bald head. Facial hair and a bald head would create a streamlined shape with reduced drag in water, facilitating diving and swimming. Fusiform body shape. A fusiform body shape would reduce drag in water and improve swimming efficiency. Furthermore, humans would require a range of adaptations to thrive in both above water and below water environments. Aquatic locomotion. Humans should possess the ability to perform various swimming gaits such as breaststroke, front crawl, or seal-like movements. Amphibious respiration. This adaptation would involve developing gills or other organs capable of extracting oxygen from both water and air. Aquatic vision. Humans would require eyes that adjust to different light levels, focus underwater, and adapt to the challenges of aquatic environments. Aquatic hearing. Ears capable of detecting sound waves in both water and air would be necessary for effective communication and navigation. Aquatic thermoregulation. Mechanisms to maintain body temperature in different water and air temperatures would be crucial for long-term survival. Aquatic osmoregulation. Humans would need mechanisms to balance salt and water levels in the body when exposed to varying salinities. Aquatic immunity. Adaptations to protect against aquatic pathogens and parasites would be essential for optimal health. Aquatic reproduction. Adaptations that facilitate mating and birth in both water and on land would be necessary. These human adaptations could be achieved through advancements in genetic engineering, nanotechnology, and cybernetic implants. Recent scientific progress in these fields has opened up possibilities for enhancing human capabilities. For example, genetic engineering can modify skin pigment, hair growth, and body shape.